Hey, it's Andres at the Primitive Go Bag, and today I'm going to talk about stone tools a little bit. With just the basics of stone tool fabrication, so just spalling a big nodule, in this case dacite, and in this case obsidian. So spalling, punching off flakes like this, and then the other basic of pressure flaking, and just making some serrations along the edge of a tool. We can make hand saws, and this one just happens to have a little bit of a fatter base that is good for holding. So hand saws, and let's just test it out. Let's do some yard work with it. I've got a holly type of bush, ilex species, behind me here. They grow in the southeast US, and I'm gonna just harvest something that you would use in survival, like a finger thick branch to make trap parts for trapping. So let's just see how these tools do. This one I've tested and I know it works well. This one I have not tested, so let's try this one first and test it, and if it doesn't work well, I'll finish it with this one. So I'm gonna go for this branch. Again, it's relatively straight and finger thickness. Just removing some stuff that's in my way. Okay, so now let's just cut down the branch, and I'm gonna go like here at the base of it, even though it's crooked there, but I'm interested in this whole straight piece here. So again, it's a hand saw. It's working okay. I'm gonna switch to the dacite one. I like this one because it's a little longer and straighter. I bent it, and now I'm gonna finish it off. So it's no Fisker's pruner, but it definitely did the job. And you know, we have a little bit of a frayed end, but we harvested that green with stone tools only. And I'm just gonna put some dirt on this area to camo the cut and help it heal. So again, that was a flake of obsidian that I spalled out from a bigger nodule, and I just did some pressure flaking. That was a river rock and antler billet or antler tine, and then this was dacite, another volcanic rock, and same thing. So simple techniques for really simple tools, and now you see that they work.